Welcome to Comparables.ai. In this video, we will show you how to use the platform as a benchmarking tool to compare company financials. Let's get started. To use the automated benchmarking Excel template, select the publicly traded companies database. Then enter any example companies that you want to include in the analysis. Enter any relevant keywords that you think are relevant for the market you are analyzing. You can filter out regions or individual countries using the geographical filter selector. You can also select a currency or apply any financial filters that you think will help. Next, press search. Our AI will now show you initial recommendations based on your search inputs. Click the Open button on the company cards to get a detailed view on the companies that you are screening. If you think this is a good match for your search, click the Add to My Peer Group List button to add it to your analysis. After you have added a few companies to your peer group list, click the Update Search Results button. This will let the AI know that you would like to see more similar companies to the ones you have already selected. The AI will then show you an updated list of more relevant results. Remember to check out all the different relevancy categories to find the companies that are most relevant for you. By clicking See All, you will see a full list of the results in this specific relevancy category. If you want to further narrow down your search, you can press the Update button again to refresh your results. When you are happy with your peer group, you can export your analysis to Excel. Remember to select the benchmarking template option in the export window to include the automated benchmarking Excel sheet in your export. In the benchmarking sheet, you can get an automatic comparison of your selected companies. The first table will compare revenue and profitability. The second table is a market cap to enterprise value bridge that displays the net debt items of companies whenever the information is available. The third table compares valuation multiples. Please note that you can also get these figures on a daily basis, using the daily valuation data selection in the export window. Lastly, all your selected companies will be summarized in individual data tables at the bottom of this sheet. Please let us know if there are any other relevant data points that you would like to see included here. And there you go. That's how you can use Comparables.ai for benchmarking. Now try it out yourself.